right here, 4,700 meters. This is the Bismarck.
We'll deploy the ROVs along this vector. The currents look favorable for the next 72 hours.
Lower the buoy, steady now. Aye, lowering, watch the stern.
As you can see on the diagram, the wreck is unstable. We follow the ascent schedule strictly. Any deviation must be reported immediately.
Is bag 4 ready for deployment?
Straps secured, pressure checked, ready to lift, sir. Keep it clear of the hull. Steady, steady. We have water contact. Prepare for the splash.
Tension is critical on cable 3.
Acknowledged. Stand by for potential structural failure.
There it is! It's huge! Oh my God, look at the size of that thing! We did it! We finally did it! Mission accomplished!
Secure the forward line now. Crane, take the strain on the starboard side. We need those pontoons locked down tight.
We're looking at extensive corrosion near the bilge keel. The structural integrity is compromised.
Recovery will require patching before...
Confirmed contact on Cradle Support 2.
Acknowledged. Pressure holding steady.
We are secured!
The Bismarck plaque represents history preserved for future generations, a testament to the deep-sea recovery legacy.
Now resting peacefully in the harbor, the Bismarck serves as a reminder of the cost of conflict and the importance of education.